And here we have some more singing reindeer. Not sure if they're actually singing. Oh, they are, very quietly. Their mouth is also partially broken. It's a shame. This one can only move its jaw. At least they have a nice fireplace to keep warm by.
Just like my mother will start to worry. What's yours? My father will be pacing the floor. So really I'd better scary. Well, maybe just a half a drink more. The neighbors might think, maybe it's bad out there. Say what's in this drink? Caps to be had out there.